So guys, maglalaro po tayo ng Roblox po sa 2025 in December. Then, so, guys, lalaroin ko po is the sleepover. Hintay ako po, hinihintay po to kasi ano. Oh, si 6-7! 6-7. 6-7! Memeskis. Okay, Memeskis. 6-7. Diba dati guys, natakutan ko yung ano gaganina. Guys, yung ano yung pizza. Tumakbo ako tapos na-winner po ako. 6-7, kumusta?
Hey, there you are. Come on, I'll show you around before the others show up.
Inside help my friend. Hi friend, kumusta?
This is the big entrance hall.
Eh, ba't may ulo? Ba't may ulo?
We also have a great piano here.
Piano?
This is our kitchen. It's not that big, but it has the latest technology. Here's our TV area. We can watch some later.
Oh, may teddy bear. Ayun. Grab natin to.
This is the reading area. I don't use it much, but my dad does.
Ito yung inaano mo sa mapa mo. Follow your map.
That's the garage. Here we have a beautiful sports car.
Brenda, huwag ka mag-monster Ganda naman. May teddy bear pa sinusundan. Ay, kaya ko pala dyan. Hindi pala. Yung ginagawa natin dito.
This is the big balcony. It's so big, my dad doesn't know what to use it for anymore.
Oo.
That's the outdoor pool. Pretty cool, right?
Ito, kainan ng pusa. Ay, kainan pala. Follow me the box. 6-7.
And here is the room where we will be having the sleepover.
Sleepover. Tara, tulog na tayo. Good night.
Let's start preparing the birthday decorations.
Decoraton? Ano yun?
We need to grab the decorations from the box inside the living room.
67. Tago yan. I think you're the box dito. Ayan. Ano yung baba? Mama mo ay bugat. Okay, let's place the decoration now. O, sinabi ko na. Ay! Mali pala, nasa baba pala. Happy birthday. Over. decoration. Happy birthday! Birthday niya! Yo.
Wow, this looks awesome. Thanks so much for helping me.
Happy me.
Alright, let's watch some TV before the others arrive.
Tara na tayo! Turn off the TV.
Good evening. We have breaking news. Authorities are warning the public about a dangerous grandpa on the loose.
Ano mo yun? Ingat pa. Uy, 6-7,
He can be seen
mag-ingat
luring
kami.
individuals into his vehicle in various neighborhoods.
Para kang 67. Uy, huwag kang pupunta.
Stay safe and stay tuned for updates.
Tunnel for update.
That's probably nothing we need to worry about.
Kaina na tayo. Uy, si Max.
That has to be the others.
Wait lang, Max, titignan ko lang, Max.
Can you get the door for me? Hey, what's up? Where is Max?
Andi dito, sa likod nyo. Max, tinatawag ka nila.
Okay, can we come in?
Yes! Yes! Yes, ikaw. Oo, yes!
Hey guys, you made it.
Tira mo.
Yes, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Max.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Max.
Thank you. Why don't we play some hide and seek?
O sige, hide and seek. Sarap yun eh. Tago.
We will hide around the house. You need to find all of us.
Tre.
Let's play 2 rounds.
Asan yun sila? Tara, gulatin natin sila. Ole!
Aw, you found me.
Ano? Kanina ka pa ganyan-ganyan ha? Akala mo. Ba't namiglam? Nandiri? Wala. Ganun pala. Kaya pala kayo nagtatago, ha? Ganina pa kayo tinatago, ha? Gaganina pa kayo hinahanap, ha? Asan yun? Asan yun? Why are you running? Why are you running?
Aw, you found me. Aw, you found me. Good job. You found all of us. Let's hide again. found me.
Asan? Oh, found.
You found me.
Hindi kang yun. Ito, tagon, oh. Ayoko na lang. Magpalaglag ako mag-isa. Oh, you found me.
Aw, you found me.
Asan be? Ay. Ayun ka pala, ah.
Aw, you found me. You're really good at seeking.
Ano? Hiting kami! Okay, katis. Ayoko, lalaki. Pag ako naging bakla, ah. Yan, bro.
Someone's calling? Hey. What's up?
I was nearby. Thought I'd come by. It's your birthday, isn't it?
Wait lang to, wait lang. Huwag ka maingay.
Grandpa? Why, yeah. Just keeping it low-key this year.
Hindi ang grandpa mo. Huwag mo yung
I
tawagin.
see. Quiet night then? You're alone?
Yeah. Just me.
Good. I'll be there soon.
Wait, what? No, I mean, I'm kind of, tired. It's getting late. Maybe another time? You guys should hide somewhere quick. Hey, Grandpa, I didn't think you'd come.
You said you were alone.
I am. Just me. Quiet night, like I said.
Still alive, Max?
No. I'm not. I'm just tired. I was about to go to bed.
You think I can't tell when you're hiding something?